All right, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I want to show you how you can actually add Biss Key on your SuperBox decoder. So Biss Key is just some security system that they built on a channel just to scramble it for paid access. So whenever a channel is scrambled, which means that they have encrypted, they have added a security on those particular channel, which means that for you to get access to it, either you are to get those Biss Key or use a paid decoder just to get access to that particular channel. So with a Biss Key, every decoder have their own method or ways to actually add the Biss Key on a particular channel. So with your SuperBox decoder, if you want to add a Biss Key on a particular channel, all you got to do is to pick up your remote and you place it on that particular channel. So you move through your channel list and you place it on a channel which you want to add a Biss Key just to unlock it. So let's select a scramble channel and then place it on it. So these channels over here are scramble channels, they are not working. So you select one particular channel which you have the Biss Key, a working one, and all you got to do on your SuperBox decoder is to press on the 0 button on the remote. So when you press on the 0 button on the remote, as you can see, you have the Biss Key menu being opened up. So all you have to do is to add your keys and then you proceed to save. So if, for example, these are the keys that you have as the Biss Key for this particular channel, all you have to do is to add those keys, and then for it to save on it, you just look at the command down below. We have delete yellow and then we have blue to confirm. So you press on the blue button on your remote to confirm the Biss Key that you just add, and it's gonna say this is not the right Biss Key for this particular channel. That's why you have the info that it's invalid input. So that's it. And you can also just press on it on the channel list right here, and then you press on the 0 button. As you can see, you have the indicator down below, the TP indicating the base 0 for the base. So you press on it and then it's gonna open up right here. So that's it. If this video has been helpful and you are new here, all you have to do is to subscribe, you hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Share on other platforms as well, and you're gonna be blessed. Thanks for watching.